Hi everybody, it's Bonnie Lee. I'm in Denver at the Crawford. This property is within the train station, and interestingly enough, it is one of the host hotels for the Rocky Mountaineer, whether you're going Denver to Moab or Moab back. We are on our way back from Moab. We're in Denver, so we have one night here before we head home. This is an amazing property. The original building has been rebuilt due to a fire, but check out the ceilings. Beautiful windows, amazing. Now when you check in, glass of wine, or hey, did you want an Aperol Spritz? And here's the kicker, free ice cream. Check out the bathroom. She is beautiful. Look at the tile work, the high ceilings. So again, this is the Crawford right in the train station in Denver, the host hotel for, of course, that beautiful Rocky Mountaineer. And here, an elegant way to just relax the night before you go home. If you are visiting Denver, this hotel, the Crawford, I do believe it has your name on it. Have a great day, and I will see you later. Bye.